Welcome back to my channel, my beautiful people. I will be doing a 360 makeover of my bedroom. But before we go ahead, like and subscribe this video if you'd like to see more videos like this. So, I really wanted to capture the cozy and glitz glam vibe. So you'll see a lot of soft things with shiny accents mixed in. The whole idea for my room started with me just getting ready to get off of this air mattress that actually has a slow leak in it. And I just wanted to create the perfect, tranquil environment for myself. I spend most of my time home here, so it's only right that I spice it up a bit. First thing that I got was this beautiful black dresser you see to the side and mirror from this small local furniture store near my home. I paid about $500 for it. It's a great size with deep drawers for all my mini clothes. So this is the headboard that I'm bringing in. I ordered this bed from Wayfair.com. It was about $1,600. Pretty pricey considering my budget, but I got it anyway. I really wanted this bed. It was calling my name. Rhea! 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 Buy me! You won't regret it! Yeah, that's how it sounded. Now this headboard is very, very heavy. I could have invited some help, but I didn't want to. I didn't want to wait another moment. I've been waiting on this bed for a long time to get to my house, and I was just ready to put it together. I've been eating my spinach like Pop out of Sailor Man, so I think I got this. It comes with an instruction manual that I barely even looked at in the beginning, but I'm definitely going to go back to this instruction manual. Now this box right here, it has the legs inside of it. The legs that go on the bottom of the bed. There's 4 of them inside the box, like it should be. That's the first thing that I'm going to put on. I'm going to put these legs on the bottom of the headboard, the first 2. Okay, now I gotta get all of these boxes and cardboard and stuff out of the way because this headboard has to go up against the wall, out of the way. This box right here that I'm about to open, this one contains the wooden part that goes up under the bed that your mattress is going to go on top of. I didn't know what I was doing at this point, but I was trying to figure it out, and I was a little bit confused, so I went back to the instructions, like I said, to read, because reading is fundamental. Yeah, let's just put that to the side. Now, here we have our footboard. This box wasn't as heavy as the headboard because it's smaller, but it was still a little bit heavy. Now I'm going to install the legs onto the footboard because that's the first step. That's what the instructions said. And here we have the screws and the nuts and bolts. It came neatly packaged in this red plastic. Next, we open the box with the bed rails inside, the side rails to the bed. decided to get the screws, and I wanted to put them into the headboard first so that I can have something for the side rails to just latch onto so they could just, go on easily instead of, putting them on at the same time. And this part, putting the screws in, was the most tedious part of the whole process. It seemed like it took forever. Now that I have the side rails installed, I needed my son to come in and help me to attach them to the bottom of the bed, the footboard. I needed him to hold the footboard up so that I can latch the side rails on. So after I tightened up all my screws all around, on all four sides, we have to put the wooden base together. Flip it over, and I had to get a screwdriver to screw the screws down in. There were no pre-made holes, so you just gotta imagine holes and screw it down. I originally wanted my bed to be up against that back wall where the picture is hanging, but I noticed that I could barely close and open my door. So now I have to rearrange the whole room. This dresser was very heavy, but I got it over, and I'll just have to put the bed in front of the window instead. Oh, y'all see the side of that bed? It looks beautiful, right? Oh, and okay, I forgot to lay my rug down up under my bed during this process, but I just had to do it afterwards. This is the mattress that I'm bringing in now. I picked this mattress out at Value City Furniture. It is the Dream Relax Medium Queen Size Mattress, memory foam, and this bed was about $1,200. It was really soft when I laid on it in the store. I never had one of these bed in a box before, so this would be my first time opening one and laying one down. It was extremely heavy. I definitely needed a little bit of help from my son to finish getting this bed out of this box and onto my bed. This mattress was really, really heavy. First, I'm going to remove the plastic, and as I was removing the plastic, I noticed that the bed was upside down, so I had to hurry and get the bed flipped over before it got too heavy to get it on the right side. I ordered a duvet cover and 2 king-size pillow shams from zgallery.com. They are so soft and elegant and beautiful as they look in person. I absolutely love them. I can't really remember the price I paid for them at the moment, so I'll just put a link in the description box. They are beautiful, trust me. You will not regret it. Next, I have brought in my little lamp, my beautiful crystal lamp that I also got from Value City Furniture. It was around $200. Link will definitely be in the description. And I got a little couple of pieces from a couple of different other places. I'll put those links in the description also. I got some small black pillows from the At Home store. I liked it, those pillows. They felt like they matched my room, so I put them in on my bed. And now I am done adding things to my comfort zone. I had so much fun putting this room together. And it's not even done yet. It's not even finished yet. But I love how it's coming together so far. I did my thing, baby. I think I did my thing. I know you see it. I know you want to cuddle up in this bed. Oh, and when I turn these lights off, oh my God, it gets even more dreamy in this room. This was so much fun. It is so beautiful in here. I hope you all liked this video. I hope you all enjoyed me breaking my back and putting my room together. So like, subscribe, and tell a friend. Show me love. I appreciate it. Thank you.